Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, where you're probably watching this. At all those places. Follow me, please. Anyway, this is the Ipsy February 2019 glam bag. Hashtag XOXO Ipsy swoon so hard. And I'm going to be swooning so hard because guess what? There's a big old change and I love it and I cannot wait. And I love this bag. Let's just get into the product.
Okay, so it's the Valentine's Day bag. XOXO, oh my god, the lips. I'm living for them. Okay, now I know in some of my other videos I've been like, I'm taking this on vacay, I'm taking that on vacay, I'm taking this on vacay. No, this one I definitely am because it works into the whole theme. Yes, lipstick cherry all over the bag. And I'm wearing my Duran Duran shirt because that's part of my vacay. Go and see Duran Duran. Swoon so hard. Yes, please. But I am swooning so hard because now, remember, January 2019, I said, like on a little card, it was like, Ipsy doing changes. Oh my god, they put all the products on the card now, like Birchbox and Target and Sephora, and this is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay. First off, one of my favorite all-time products. I love it. It is the Pixi by Petra Glow Tonic. It is so great. It is like the most awesome exfoliating toner ever. It smells great. It gets results. I've had glowing skin every single time I've used it. I need to just start buying it. Yes. It is freaking awesome. Just, yeah. Then we have FARAH brushes, powder brush. Every time I think of these FARAH brushes though, because they're pink, I just think of the drag queen Pheromone. Because look, it says FARAH. Yeah. And all I think is like FARAH. Pheromone. Does Pheromone have FARAH brushes? So that is what I'm just going to have to be like Pheromone. At Pheromone. Do you use FARAH brushes? Because if not, that should be a collab. Let's be honest. I mean, look at them. They're pink. FARAH's all about the pink. Okay. Then we have the Balm Alternative Rock. Oh, look. Alternative Rock. Volume 1. Take it for granted. It's like a gray, kind of purpley. I would use that brush, but it's so big. There we go. But that is pretty cool. I usually, most of my stuff by the Balm is like highlighters and blushes, so I'm excited to try one of their eyeshadows. It is, yeah, it's a lilac with gray undertones. So, then we have Kokie. Is that what it's called? Kokie? Oh, yeah. Oh, I've tried their nail polish before. I have got it at BeautyCon. Anyway, Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. So, oh, Kokie means elephant in Korean, which symbolizes boldness and beauty, which could be why there's an elephant on the logo. Oh my gosh. Check that out, blonde moment. So, let's test this out. I have to use a different finger now. I know some of you people are like, oh my god, fingers. But hey, guess what? Kevin Kwan used fingers all the time, and he made masterpieces. So, there we go. I am concealed. Then finally, Belle En Argent lip gloss in I Love That Car. It's a Northern California based brand inspired by the arts, which is awesome because you know me, I love my arts. So let's see, red wine colored lip gloss. So let's see here. In the words of Duran Duran, lipstick cherry all over the lens as she's falling. Boom! There we go. I'm going to take my cherry lipstick Smile and get out of here. That's where to follow me. Stay beautiful.